Hey guys, so if you're bored in your Christmas holiday season in winter, you can go to Wi-Fi place so you can enjoy your moment with your entertainment gadgets like this. You can download any movies, music, games, and listening favorite music in your life. So it's fun, right? You're not boring having listening music, watching movie, downloading games. That's better for your life. So that is the most important within the winter season. See, with meal in breakfast in your morning coffee habits with your gadgets. So that is the best thing. This is our content and blog for today, this morning, December 27. Okay, see you guys. That's all. Subscribe and click the notification bell for our coming latest video to my YouTube channel. Amazing tips how to enjoy your Christmas break in your school, in your work. Okay, see you guys. That's all. Because it's cancelled for today, our work. So you can continue your moment to enjoy your life in Canada, Saskatchewan. Appreciate that. That's all.